Hello again, this is Barbara Langston, CZT, and I'm about to show you day 16, which is halfway through the Inktober Tangles for 2020. And today's pattern is another Zentangle original called Bunzo. And Bunzo is a simple pattern. You just start with kind of a crescent moon type thing. And come back and then go back again. And then you can stop here and fill it in because every other line is filled in. Okay. So Maria, when she shows it on one of her Zentangle videos, she does stop and fill in that line. Okay, so there's the start, but you can, so this was my first, second, third line. I tend to kind of count 4, 5, 6, 5 them in. I'll let mine get a little bit bigger as they went up, and that's one of the variations that you'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and put another one so that I can end this in one that's filled in. Okay. Try to do this a little fast so that you don't have to just watch me color things in. But you can, I think, adjust the speed on these YouTube videos if you need to. Okay, so there's a basic part. You can, let's say, start again here. And then just continue. You keep kind of turning it different directions. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the first one. And then the next one. If you start down here with this one being black and then your lines, you do an even number, then they tend to be to end so that the last one would be one that you would fill in. So when I was practicing, I was doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's a little bit fat, so I'm going to go ahead and just bring that down a little and fill that in. And then you can just keep kind of turning it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then fill them in. So it's a pretty simple pattern. Like I said, it's kind of up to you whether or not you want to fill that in each time. I'm going to bring this down to kind of make it fit a little bit better. And you can just keep going around and around. Doing this kind of quick so these aren't totally filled the way that I would normally take my time to do it. You could come back with a graphic one or something and fill these in a little bit faster. I'm going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in this bottom one. They can keep curling around. They can fill up almost any space. And fill a square, a triangle, any part of your pattern where you need to fill something in. So just very basic, that is Bunzo. But I'm going to show you, let's start over here. Another way that I like to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to go back over that one a little bit. And then I'm going to leave a little bit of a highlight here in the center, sparkle. I'm going to move up to this one, and I'm just going to do this as a reminder to myself. Since I've been filling those in, I don't want to forget that I'm leaving a sparkle on this one. So this one in. And then same thing up here. I want to leave a little jagged looking sparkle. Fill it in. And then fill in this other side. You could switch to different color. I've picked up a brown 01. So I'm going to start at the same point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can fill these in with that same sparkle. This makes a nice little flowery effect. I do have an 05 here in brown. I'm going to use that to fill this in just a little more quickly. I don't think they make this brown in a graphic one, but that would sure be nice. I think this may be the biggest size, is an 05. Okay. I'm going to go back to the black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quickly fill this in so you can see how nice this looks. You can also, when you're filling in like this, use that opportunity to maybe straighten out some of these edges if you need to. And then up at the top. Remembering to relax and breathe. Loosen your shoulders. Okay, so I'm going to put one down in brown again. I'm going to start out with the 05. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, this is an easy pattern. Just back and forth to fill in any space that you need to. You can keep going in any direction. Make them larger or smaller to fit an area that you want. Okay, so there, and it's a quick fill in, so I'll go back and straighten those out a little bit. Fill them in a little bit better, but with tan or Renaissance paper, you have to be careful with how much you work it. And then you can continue to go off that in other directions. I could make these a little bit bigger. Come out this way, off of this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go one more. Okay, so you don't have to keep that exact shape if you start it. Hopefully you're not hearing my snoring dog. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and fill this in and show you another option. Just real quick. Okay. So if you did them like this, and then you decided, well, I wish I had put a little bit of a sparkle on there, you could go back with your gel pen. Just want to make sure this is working. I had such bad luck with gel pens, trying to make them work. And this is a new one. Okay, I think I've got it going now. You could put a line, kind of a little sparkle here on each of these. Come back later with a white gel pen. I kind of like the look of the sparkle, but I like it done this way best. But you can, like I said, go back with the gel pen and add a little bit more. So there you go. Very simple pattern. Takes a little bit of practice to get it to look just right, but this is my favorite way to do it because I like a flowery kind of organic look. So there you go. That is day 16, Bunzo by Zentangle. Thanks again, and I will see you next time. Bye.